Vanuatu, a South Pacific archipelago, beckons with its untouched beauty and vibrant culture. To truly experience its wonders, traveling like a local expert is key. Here's how to immerse yourself in the Vanuatu way of life and make unforgettable memories. Timing is everything. Visit during the dry season from May to October for the best outdoor adventures without the rain. And don't just stay on the main island of Efate. Vanuatu's 83 islands like the volcanic Tana and historic Espiritu Santo await your discovery. Dive into the heart of Vanuatu by engaging with its people. Respect their customs, join in a dance, or witness a custom ceremony. Remember, when you're a guest in their home, it's all about showing respect and following their lead. Feast on the flavors of Vanuatu. From the earthy laplap to the exotic coconut crab, local dishes are a window into the soul of the islands. Wander the markets, taste the tropical fruits, and let your palate explore. Vanuatu's natural splendor is precious. Protect it by using reef-safe sunscreen, keeping trails clean, and respecting marine life. Your eco-conscious actions help preserve this paradise for future generations. A few words in Bislama, like halo for hello, can bridge worlds. The locals will cherish your effort to speak their language, enhancing your connection to this enchanting culture. Traveling like a Vanuatu expert means embracing the island's rhythm, respecting its people and nature, and opening your heart to new experiences. So pack your spirit of adventure and set sail for the trip of a lifetime in the enchanting Vanuatu.